All right, so now that my milk has come down to temperature, remember that's 46 degrees, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the 1 tablespoon of culture or yogurt. And so to do that, I need to take a jar like this. This is the jar that it's going to sit in overnight. Remember, you had 3 choices for time. You have 8 hours, 10 hours, and 12 hours. I'm going to choose 12 for this particular version. And so I'm going to open up this jar. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of that milk substance in there, not all of it. Again, it's not exact science on this particular one. I just pour in some. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of this yogurt. And I'm going to put it into the jar. And I'm just going to kind of stir it in there like so. And then I'm going to slowly add this milk to it to get it back up to full volume. You can even go slower than that, but you don't have to. Just gonna stir it up. Make sure that that chunk of yogurt that I put in there is fully mixed in. Okay. At this point, we're done with all of this stuff, and we're gonna go ahead and clean that up in a minute. And then I need to seal up my jar. And then I need to label the jar. I would actually put the label on the top, but we're just doing it for the camera's sake. We're going to put it here on the side. And I'm just going to name my yogurt after the name of my group. So this is going to be Gert Expectations. And again, I need to make sure that I put on here how many hours. So I'm going to put 12 hours. So then when I go to collect my yogurt, it's going to have all of the pieces and parts that I need. So this is a sous vide machine. You don't need to use a sous vide machine if you don't have one, but you can. It makes it a lot easier. It's just a hot water bath that I've set to 115 degrees. And so I'm going to put it in here, and the timer has been set on the sous vide itself to be 12 hours. So it will turn off in 12 hours, but I will be there in 12 hours to pull it out and put it in the refrigerator. And I'm just going to put it in there. Don't worry if it floats or if it flips over, that happens. And so as I said, I'm going to put in another 3 or 4 of these to kind of have some for results after the fact. So I will see you in 12 hours.